Hey, so if you want to track your website traffic using HubSpot in 2026 and understand where visitors are coming from, this full guide will walk you through everything step by step in a simple way. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your website is connected to HubSpot, otherwise traffic data won't appear. To track traffic, start by going to the Reports section from the top menu. Click on Analytics Tools, then select Traffic Analytics. This is where HubSpot shows detailed website traffic data. Here you'll see an overview of total sessions, visitors, and page views. You can filter data by time range to compare performance over days, weeks, or months. Yeah, this helps spot trends quickly. Next, check traffic sources. HubSpot breaks traffic down into organic search, paid ads, social media, email, referrals, and direct visits. This shows exactly where your audience is coming from. To track individual pages, go to Reports, then Analytics Tools, and Open Page Performance. Here you can see which pages get the most views, engagement, and conversions. If you want deeper insights, connect Google Search Console and Google Analytics with HubSpot. This adds keyword data and improves traffic accuracy. HubSpot also tracks visitor behavior. You can see how long people stay on pages, bounce rates, and paths users take through your site. This helps identify what content works and what needs improvement. For lead tracking, HubSpot automatically links website visits to contacts once they fill out a form. This lets you see which pages influenced conversions. You can customize dashboards to display traffic data you care about most, like top pages, top sources, or conversion rates. Before finishing, review reports regularly. Consistent tracking helps improve content, campaigns, and overall website performance. And that's it. By using HubSpot Traffic Analytics, page performance, and source tracking, you can monitor and improve your website traffic effectively. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.